Hello, I'm going to demonstrate the faulty, not working UGREEN USB 3.0 multifunction hub. It used to work for me for many months, but a few days ago it stopped working. So let me demonstrate how it doesn't work. So first of all, this is my computer, and on this computer I unhooked the internet cable. So the computer is not working. Let's see. Page is not opening. Now I'm going to hook the internet cable to this computer, and it should work now. Yeah, it's working. I reload the page. It is working. Test goes fine. Yeah, so it is working. Now I'm going to unhook this internet, and so the internet is unhooked and computer is not working. Yes, cannot load the page. So now I hook the cable. Yes, so internet is there, and I'm going to put this to the USB port. So before I hooked in, the LED indication is not working. So when I hook the cable, USB cable to computer, yeah, so the LED starts working. Let's see if internet works. No working. Also there is a ping, so let me check if I can ping Google.com. No internet. So it says that doesn't work, but LED is on. If I open another page, any like AliExpress, if I open AliExpress, Still not working. So that's how internet doesn't work, since the internet connection is still plugged. Page wasn't loaded, so the AliExpress web page didn't load successfully, but computer shows that there is internet connected. This internet connected. You see this icon on my computer, it shows the internet connected, but it doesn't work. However, if I put check the USB part of this hub. USB is working, so if I hook in this check USB, I put this USB to this hub. So sound confirms that USB drive was in there. There is my USB, this one that I just put, and if I now unhook this USB, again it says that there's a problem with the drive, and there is no USB drive. So USB part of this hub is working, but the internet is not working. Again, if I unhook my internet cable, unhook this hub, so hub is unhooked, and if I again hook the internet cable to my computer, let's see if now AliExpress is working. Yeah, so it is working, and speed test is working, and if I click go, it should start working. So the problem is with this USB 3 multifunctional hub, unfortunately. Thank you for your attention.